Hi and welcome to Kevin's Kitchen. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do gluten-free donuts. For this recipe what we're going to need is 270 grams of plain flour, 70 grams of caster sugar and 2.5 teaspoons of gluten-free baking powder. You're going to need 2 eggs, 120 millilitres of water and approximately 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to melt that. So what we're going to do now is mix all of that together and make our donuts. So first thing I need to do is add the sugar to the gluten-free flour and the baking powder and just mix that around. So we're just going to start making the dough now. So the next stage is to add the butter to the milk and also the eggs, and then just beat the eggs, the butter and the milk together so it's all beaten in and into a smooth sauce. The next stage to this is to now make the batter. So I'm going to slowly add the sauce to this and just slowly mix it around. Remember, with any recipe you can add but you can't take away, so don't put too much in just in case you don't need it all. You want to have a nice thick batter. So the next step is I've made my batter and I've got my fryer up to temperature, which is between 170 and 180 degrees. If you don't have a deep fat fryer, you can also use a pan to do that, but just be very, very careful because the temperature will keep going up until you drop the temperature down, so just be careful with that. All I'm going to do now is scoop some of the batter out and place that into the fryer. Do a couple at a time. These go in for between 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure that you turn them over so that both sides brown. So once they're cooked, lift them out of the oil, just drain them and then put them straight into some sugar. We're going to mix them around in the sugar so we get a good coating of sugar right the way through the donut. So once you've rolled them with sugar, that is your gluten-free drop donuts.